Okay, we're going to record the two examples about the derivative. Okay, so let's see. The first example is y equals 6 to the 2 to the x squared. I want to find the y derivative. First way I do it is reading the function to find the derivative. So y derivative, I respect 6. This is exponent, so about 6, 2 to the x, ln 6, times then 2 to the x squared and 2 x squared ln 2. Then x squared derivative 2x, each part product together. And this is an easy way, and I read the function. I majorly use a to the x derivative equals a to the x ln a. That's a majorly way I used it, the rules. And another way, use all the substitution. U equals 2 to the x, v equals x squared. So y becomes 6u, and y prime uses formula again, 6u ln 6. And the u would equals 2 to the v, and use that formula again, it will be 2 to the v ln 2. And v equals x squared, so v derivative equals 2x. Then I product each part together, first, second, and third. They are exactly the same. This is the first example. Second example is y equals 6 to the 6u plus e to the negative 6u divided by e to the 6u minus e to the negative 6u, ask you to find the derivative. Okay, I use quotient rule, so this will be this denominator square, and this numerator derivative, I use e to the x derivative equals ex. That's majorly I use, but I use chain rule there. So this part of derivative, it's e, consider this as a v, so e to the v, and the v derivative, it's 6. Same thing here, e to the v here, and this v equals negative 6u, derivative is negative 6. That's what I got this part. This part is the top's derivative. And times the bottom, 6 e to the 6u minus e to the negative 6u minus the top, e to the 6u plus e to the negative 6u times e to the 6u, this derivative, and the 6u derivative is 6 plus, so original supposed to be subtraction, 6 e to the negative 6u. Negative 6u is negative 6, so it become negative and become positive. That's what we got, that positive here. And then we start to simplify the numerator. I factor this 6 out. The inside become e to the 6u minus e to the negative 6u, which is exactly this part. So that's why we write this part as a square. Same idea, I factor this 6 out. This will become e to the 6u plus e to the negative 6u times e to the 6u plus e to the negative 6u. I write as a square here. Now we try to simplify this top. When I simplify this top, I use some perfect square formula here. E to the 6u minus e to the negative 6u perfect square equal first term square minus 2 first term, second term, and plus this third term's square, this term's square. And since this is minus, this is a perfect square, so each term become negative. And it become first term perfect square, first term square minus 2 first term times the second terms minus this second term perfect square. Look at this, and this cancel out, this and this cancel out. Look at this very important part. E to the 6u times e to the negative 6u will give you e to the 0. Same idea here. This will give you minus e to the 0. E to the 0 equals 1, so they become negative 4. So the top will simplify as negative 4 times 6. That's why we get a negative 24 divided by e to the 6u minus e to the negative 6u square. Okay, so this will be the 2 examples. I will try to show you the whole picture about what I write in here. So this is the 2 examples on your homework. Someone asked me, so I record that, give that to you guys. This is a chain rule. It's not easy, but I not recommend substitution. I do recommend you read and derivative and product each part together. Okay, this will be end of this